what I want to show you today is this mask from Basecamp. I have their original model. This is the upgraded M, and it is just, they asked me to try it, and I said, heck yes, I'll try it. I have the original and I love it. So the new one should be a lot better. So when I got it, let me tell you, you get the two masks. One of them is blue. They're not all just black. It's a really nice color of blue. They come with filters. They come with the vents, the back. This is where it's really upgraded. It takes like seconds to put on. It's great. You can adjust the nose. It has larger vents. The back is stretchy, so it fits better. Not only do you get those, you get another set of vents.
These valves or vents changed from the original rotating method to a snap-on method, which saves more time when replacing the valve. Only a few lucky customers will receive the snap-in valves with their order.
6 more replaceable filters and instructions on how to do it. But let me tell you, these things are really good. There's 6 layers in the filter. It's 99.4% efficient in filtering. It is more comfortable. The original was comfortable. This one's even more comfortable. It's more comfortable to wear than my 3M respirator, definitely. And for the stuff that I'm doing in my shop, perfect. It is ideal for woodworking, construction, mowing, sanding, gardening, cleaning, painting, grinding, airports, diaper changing, pretty much anything where there's air pollution, which we all know is pretty much everywhere. Really a good mask. I really like it. If you're looking for a mask, if you're in the market, this is the one to get.